Penthouse has been an incredible show that was loved by all. Last year, in 2020, the first season aired and had all the attention towards it. The first season of Penthouse consisted of about 21 episodes, which aired between 26th October and 5th January. The show has a lot of drama and revelations that a common man will relate. The story is perfect in every sense and has a lot of mysteries that need to be revealed yet. The first season has been seen by almost 5.3 million viewers. That's a milestone in itself, and the makers have officially announced the release date of Penthouse Season 2 as well as Penthouse Season 3. But before we move forward, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel, Popscope. The Korean drama based on family life, greed, and the mysteries involved is incredibly in every way. The cast and the well developed music has its own essence that was loved by the audience and made them crave for Penthouse Season 2. The show became the 8th highest viewed show in the whole nation. That's for sure. When the Season 2 of Penthouse will release, it will climb up the ratings as well. Well, the Penthouse Season 2 started airing on 19th February and the storyline took a spike. The final episodes are yet in making and have to be aired yet. The show is loved a lot earlier. The ratings were 16.7 and now they have just doubled up on just the release of 2 episodes and rose to 19.7. Previously, the show's demographic was considered to be between 19 and 24. But now, just as the first season has been seen by the adults, as well the demographic has drastically changed and now many middle-aged people are also watching the show. The concept of Penthouse is what makes the show remarkably awesome. The storyline of Penthouse Season 2 focuses more on the things that are more of an after effect. In the first season, Oh Yoon-hee struggled to climb up the rich chain to make her child's future more bright. Yet, in the season 2, she is more focused on taking revenge on everyone that has betrayed her. Even other characters are more focused on the betrayal and revenge part. Kion Seo-jin wants to get married, but as the story progresses, she meets her ex-boyfriend. Things take a steep turn and her ex-boyfriend is caught by the police on accusations of her wife's murder. Things are explicit in every way. Bae Rona is bullied and abused in her school as his father was accused of murder. She faces a lot of boycotting in her group. Her classmates call her the daughter of a murderer and she becomes mentally dull. Stress and embarrassment accompanies her and her world starts to shatter. Not only this, her mother is also done with the things around her. Husband being accused of murder makes her life devastated. One more important scene that is relatively important is when Yoo Jani, Bae Rona, Ha Yoon Byul, Joo Seo Kyung go to show their skills in a talent show. And what happens next is something that the audience might never forget. The show was on a pause when the winners had to be announced and just at that moment a boy falls and bleeds until death. This makes the story take a turn and there are various such scenes that brings out goosebumps for the viewers as many internal family affairs and greed, manipulation and intrigue even happen. The Korean entertainment industry is leveling up by such remarkable shows. The standards have been set high bars and every new season of Penthouse is a treat for the viewers. Now, as you know, the second season of Penthouse has just been finished on 2nd April and there was merely 1 month gap between the season 1 and 2. If such consistency is carried on, the Penthouse Season 3 will definitely air by the end of May 2021. The Penthouse Season 2 is in its ending phase as the climax and the finale parts have been shot. The Season 3 will start its shoot by ending April or maximum May end. The remarkable show has many more secrets to reveal about how a person suffers in his life, whether be rich or poor. Penthouse Season 3 will be a more loved show as the guidelines and the plot has been somewhat told to the audience and the Season 2 and Season 3 will be an adrenaline boost for the viewers. The show is expected to break a few earlier records as well. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.